Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact phone format Discord accepts. A plus sign, country code, then the full number. Next, make sure your account email is verified and temporarily disable two-factor authentication so verification can proceed. Once done, test your network, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and clear the app cache. This rules out connectivity and caching errors. These steps remove common blockers, so you can move into the verification process without wasting time on unlikely causes. Now, request a fresh verification code and be patient. Wait at least 60 to 120 seconds between tries to avoid rate limits. If the app keeps saying invalid, open Discord in an incognito browser or reinstall the app to clear stale session data. This often fixes token mismatches. If you still get errors, try a different phone number or carrier, because some carriers block automated SMS. Make sure to document exact error messages, since that helps decide the right fix quickly. Finish by entering the code exactly as received and then confirm your account settings. Once verified, re-enable two-factor authentication for security. If the number still registers as invalid, contact Discord support and include your account ID, timestamps, and screenshots. That speeds diagnosis. As a troubleshooting tip, test the verification on another device and ask your carrier to confirm SMS delivery. Often the issue is carrier filtering or device SMS settings, not Discord itself, so rule those out before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.